Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the essentials. Google Home, your phone, and the smart bulbs must share the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi, this avoids pairing failures. Once done, power the new bulbs and perform the manufacturer reset so they appear in setup mode. Now open the Google Home app, tap the plus icon, and choose Setup Device, then Works with Google to begin linking the vendor account. This step creates the bridge between accounts so commands will flow. When you authorize the light manufacturer service, sign in and grant permissions. This allows Google Home to discover and control devices. Next, assign lights to rooms or groups so you can say turn off kitchen lights rather than addressing each bulb. Grouping also enables routines. Make sure to rename devices with short, distinct names because Google's voice recognition performs better with unique labels. After that, sync devices in the Home app and wait for confirmation that discovery is complete. Finally, test each light with voice commands, for example. Hey Google, turn on living lamp, and then change brightness or color to confirm full control. Once verified, set up routines or schedules in the Home app to automate scenes and save energy. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Reboot your router and Google Home, confirm Wi-Fi credentials, relink the light account in the Home app, and only then consider a factory reset of the light.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.